Eating healthy may take a little forethought, but it doesn't take much work. With Fresh Express salads, you can even take a fresh salad on the go. Planning ahead is just as important in the field. Safely delivering fresh produce to our customers requires a lot of training. From field workers to drivers to processing employees, everyone at Fresh Express is thoroughly trained on the latest procedures and industry standards. That's what leaders do. They innovate and push industries farther than previously imagined.
Our onboarding process begins right here in the classroom. We hold courses 12 months a year on topics such as introduction to food allergies, controlling salmonella, and basic food facility defense. New hires leave Fresh Express University as food safety experts, and we regularly bring employees back for continuing education and refresher courses.
This is where training meets application. To make sure the right procedures are followed, we have supervisors monitoring, correcting anyone not strictly adhering to our protocols. This field training can be just as useful to the employees as well as providing another line of defense.
The rules for safety aren't just for consumers, they protect everyone. It's easier for everyone to excel at the highest level when they know exactly what is expected of them. We publish this list of safety courses that must be completed each year, and it keeps us all on the same page. And if you're curious, these aren't just meeting OSHA and FDA standards. We are setting new standards for safety in every aspect of the growth, processing, and delivery of fresh produce.
Fresh Express was built on the idea that there's a better way to deliver fresh, ready-to-eat salads to customers. We were the very first company to create a food safety and quality program for produce crops. And today, we are far exceeding our peers and government regulations to put fresh produce in the hands of our customers.
Knowing how to chill is only step one. Step two is keeping it in stock, which is important because we can continually move fresh product onto the shelves. Stocking shelves up to 3 times a day also forces stockers to check expiration dates frequently and keep the oldest products up front, which leads up to step 3, which is keeping it rotated. Constantly monitoring the inspection date and the other date allows past due date bags to be discarded, keeping aging products out of the hands of customers.
We have even strategically located our facilities in regions all over the United States to shorten the distance our salads have to travel to get to our customers, no matter where they live. They are always just a refrigerated truck away from fresh produce. We follow all of FDA's Food Safety Modernization Act requirements and have designed a system to prevent and mitigate against potential problems during the entire salad-making process. From the way raw material is received at the plant to how it is handled and treated with care till it's packed and leaves our facility, we put emphasis in safety and quality. Our workers have been specially trained and periodically must undergo refresher courses. Water is tested by a third party on a regularly scheduled basis to make sure it meets and exceeds all chemical and microbial standards. Our manufacturing lines and work floor are completely washed and sanitized every day to the highest standards. We have invested in physical contamination prevention equipment like metal detectors and optical sorters. We have installed a camera system to read the film barcode and individual master pack codes to match the film with the master pack. This new system would ensure that the right master pack is dropped in the right salad bag. We have also improved our production traceability process by adding scanners to provide quick, real-time information of all raw materials used in our products. At Fresh Express, our commitment to safety is an enormous part of our culture. From our grower fields all the way to your table, we go the extra mile to make sure you receive fresh, healthy salads.
It takes real commitment to safety and continuous improvement to guarantee fresh, quality salad to be served on our customers' tables. At Fresh Express, we don't just create a food safety and quality program, we create a food safety and quality culture.